Chef K, World's Coolest Chef. I'm back, and you're back. Then y'all ready to eat, and y'all ready to see what we about to do today. We had our smoked salmon grilled cheese sandwich. We had that paired very nicely with a cucumber salad. Let's go ahead and utilize some of our smoked salmon, and we're gonna be making an omelet today, a 3-egg omelet. I just think, 2-egg omelets, that's really shady. I don't get down like that. I got 3 eggs cracked here. I'm gonna go ahead and give them a nice whisk, a little salt and pepper. You're going to want to take a couple of your mushrooms and saute them in the pan, okay? These are our baby portobello mushrooms, 1/3 of a cup of spinach at the bottom. Go ahead and put your mushrooms up on the top. These are going to be put in the inside of the omelet with our cheese. All right, so once you've got the basis of your omelet cooked, I've taken my omelet off the heat, and this is going to be a French omelet. Then you're going to grab your cheese. Put right down the very center. You are going to fold your egg 3 times. You're going to move it back here. Keep it on a very, very, very low heat. Push your omelet to the middle of the pan and give it another fold. You can utilize your finger if you need to, because hey, everybody's not an omelet expert. All right, hold it. Sometimes I like my spinach sauteed. Today I'm going for the more earthy feel, and I'm allowing the heat inside of the omelet to cook the spinach. We're going to turn off our heat. Let it sit there for just a moment. And while we do that, we can prepare our smoked salmon. As usual, get your smoked salmon, take a knife, take a fork, so you can cut your half in half. And that'll be plenty this time, okay? We're gonna break down our smoked salmon. Fresh cilantro here. Go ahead and get this mixed up really good. So, we're gonna go ahead and chop up our smoked salmon. As I said, we'll mince these up together. And you've got a cilantro infused smoked salmon. So grab a couple grape tomatoes, which I personally feel add all kinds of flavor. Tomatoes and omelets, they're like a perfect combination that no one ever told us about. Okay. All right, guys, here we go. Now let's go ahead and we're ready to plate. Yeah. There we go. Let's plate our omelet here. Our cilantro infused smoked salmon. A few tomatoes here and there. We're gonna add our feta cheese. And if you have something left over, definitely don't let it go to waste. All right? Food is here for us to enjoy. Therefore, we should take advantage of it and definitely make sure we share with others. Voila! We've got smoked salmon omelet. It's your girl, Chef K, World's Coolest Chef. We out.